Foot brake Frankie over here. All right, guys, I'm here at Drag Drive Repeat. I'm with Frankie Unit. I'm Nick Leonard. We're from the Race Rebuild Repeat channel. We're driving what, Frank?
91 Syclone, baby.
Oh, yeah, so we were supposed to be out here with Frank's 05 Magnum. The transmission on that said no thanks. So we got my 91 Syclone here, took it out of storage, and it required a lot of work. We took it to a shop in Brooksville, Florida called Sport Machines. We spent 13 hours a week ago in the shop getting this thing prepared. The intercooler was leaking. It needed a full tune-up. There was gas in the vacuum lines, which is a fault of a fuel pressure regulator. So several $1,000s later, the truck is moving and running, and we've been killing it in the DYO class. We are 15th, right, Frank?
I believe, yes. We are 15th. That's pretty good for us.
Yeah, for the first time out, we're doing good.
15th out of 100, though. 15th out of 100 is a pretty good deal.
Yeah, 15 out of 100 ain't bad. We would it would have been a lot better, but Gainesville screwed us. But you did do a what in Gainesville?
13-0 or 13-1-9 or something like that. It was crazy.
Yeah, but there was a 1-2.
A 1-2 what?
12-second, baby.
Yeah, we did. We screwed up and we ran a 12-second. Nuts.
Yeah, so out of nowhere, off idle, the car ran a 12.94 and way faster than it should be. So today, if we're in our range of a 13.04 to a 13.13, we'll come back around and turn this sucker up and see if we can run like a 12.50. Frank's got a plan for it, Frank. What are you going to do?
We're going to foot brake the heck out of it.
Foot brake Frankie over here. So he's just figuring out how to launch this thing. You got to pump the brakes, get the vacuum built up, and then it'll hold itself on the line. You can build the boost or whatever you want to do and take off. But yeah, it's a real Syclone. It's got 64,000 miles on her, and she's in pretty darn good shape. It's straight. It's nice. I don't fit in it. And when it comes to doing a 1,000-mile, I mean, you could call it a road trip, right?
It's definitely a road trip.
So Frank's been going a little bit crazy driving. There's been some back roads where we've met up with some people and covered ground quicker than we thought. What kind of numbers were you seeing out there, Frank?
Oh, single digit or double digits still. You know, nothing triple digits anyway.
That's not true. Anyway, so every day that we come to a new track, we got to unload the back of the truck completely. So everything that we're taking with us, you have to take. Obviously, a Syclone does not have a trailer hitch. And this thing being from 91 has the original bed cover, which I do not want to take off because I am afraid once I take it off, it's going to crack and it'll be screwed for life. So every day I'm going in, getting the tools, getting the stuff, like literally going full deep into this sucker and unloading. So we got some Milwaukee stuff, we got some oils, we got some chairs. I bought a table from Buc-ee's. Frank's got a one wheel, priceless amounts of camera stuff. You know the deal on that. And then a crappy cooler that we bought at a Circle K.
Because we lost ours.
Yeah, we were in Gainesville and maybe had a couple Compton Cokes, and then I unloaded the truck, and then the cooler never made it back in. So I'm going to say a homeless person stole it.
More than likely.
Yeah. So yeah, Drag Drive Repeat, they're out here killing it, and appreciate what you guys are doing. This is badass. And last but not least, Ian Bokish sent us this Syclone jacket. It is an original. Probably one of one at this point. One of one left. They probably made like 100 of them. They only sold 3,000 of the trucks, so come on. I haven't seen another one. So please, if anyone has one and you're watching Drag Drive Repeat, send it to us.